the lobby of the Pixar place hotel. Check-in is over that way to the left. They got a little cafe, which is, we're coming to get some breakfast, so this is the day we're checking out. They have a little store right here. A few little trinkets. This is just like a little coffee shop. They have some breakfast items and things. So we get something before we head out. Alright, we got the elevators right here. You push what floor you want to go to, and then it tells you which elevator to get to. This is the glass elevator, as you can see when you're going up. Here we go. The 5th floor. We did not visit the pool, but this is the pool area. They got like a little splash pad with slides. And they got some like little games and things out there. There's a poolside bar with a little cafe. And they have some snacks and things. Got murals all over. This is up. Let's see a little more of the pool over here at this window.
No, that's not the pool.
They got
that's where games are at.
Games in the bar and
the pool is Disneyland Hotel.
here. They do have some little the Pixar characters in the carpet.
Ink. Coco.
Incredibles.
Cars.
Cars, Toy Story. Wally. We are checking out today, so the room might be a little bit messy. Kind of the standard room. They do have some cute murals of all the Pixar characters.
This is it actually fixed up to do a sofa. We'll show you that in a little bit before we leave.
It's a sofa.
It flips out and it turns into a bed.
And then we got standard two queen beds.
This is where we at in location.
Yeah, we can see across to the park.
So we're basically right behind Goofy's little
Flight school.
Yeah, little
like the
Wild Mouse roller
Wild
coaster
Mouse.
in Grand California, just right across.
The Incredicoaster right there.
The wheel.
Big wheel. We kind of got a side view of the wheel. And that's our room. The shower is pretty good size. They got all the things that you need: shampoo, conditioner, body wash. In the room, in the wall. And another picture of the summer lamp, vanity, makeup mirror, nice big sink. These are all, they used to give you the lotion, now they're attached to the vanity, so no lotion. And I have, there's a nice big closet.
Nice stuff for your luggage and hanging.
You have an iron in there. That's where the bedding stuff was.
And a Keurig. You got refrigerator, decent size.
like a
motel, dorm room.
you get all your coffee and stuff in here if you
cups.
want.
Then look at these. Oh, some glass.
Coffee mugs and more cups.
And that's and we got the safe and
Nice
nice
one.
glass.
All right. Got the little Pixar lamp on the desk too. That's the room.